show, and I'm Michaela, and this is Avery, and our show is called The Avery and Michaela Show. And so, my parents don't know that my friend is over. So, we don't want them to know. So, we're just eating and watching a movie. So, yeah. Just waiting and eating. Oh, excuse me, that's my friend. Hello? Hey, Mom. Oh. Well, you're almost home? No. It's alright. No, there's nothing going on. No, I do not have a friend over. Are you kidding? Hold on, Mom. She's on to us. Oh, gosh. Okay. What are we going to do? See me at the back. No, not yet. Okay, Mom. You're home now? Parking? Okay, hold on. Bye. Let's sneak you up the back. Come on. Go. That is not your soup, lady.